Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your battery for your igniter in your Viking grill or in your Artisan Professional Grill. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is turn the power off, and then you want to open up your drip pan that's underneath. So let's check it out. And this is if you notice your igniter is not allowing the gas to get to start. You should have this whole component on both sides of your drip pan. One on your left side, and then one on your right side. Okay, so we're going to unscrew. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so we're going to do lefty-loosey. And there's your beautiful battery. We're going to take it out, and then you're going to replace the battery. Put your battery back in. And remember, now we're going righty-tighty. Hold on, let's make sure it's in there. There we go. Sorry about that. I had to take my glasses off. Can't see anything. And then you're going to screw it back in, and then you're done changing your battery, and your igniter should turn on. Then you go to the left side and you do the same. You do the same thing. Let me